Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace an image in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now at the bottom of your screen, you can see a little plus sign right beside projects. Or you can go to projects and select the design you have already made and open the design. Now you can see the image you want to replace. Tap on it. You can see the first option that pops up from the bottom is replace. Tap on the replace, and once you tap replace, you can see from the bottom of your screen there are gonna be images popping up. Tap on the image you want to replace it with and select it. That's how you replace an image in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.